My name is Amos Njeraini. I am the founder of Eco Create and Innovate, also known as eCandy. At eCandy, we do three things. We have an eco shop where we sell zero waste products that are verified and good for our customers. We also have a recycling drop-off where people bring their waste for recycling. Our main focus currently is eco-tops. These are surfaces that we make from recycled glass, and the intention is to replace the traditional countertops and surfaces like granite and marble. Ecotops are sustainable because, first of all, they are locally made. They are made using waste glass that would otherwise be a pollutant, and the carbon footprint is very low because we have ensured that our process, we recycle the water that we use. We have ensured that our process is sustainable. They are also made to last, so when you get an ecotop, you are sure that for at least 10 years you will have a surface that works well for you. My motivation to join is wanting to grow my business and scale it to the next level so that we can increase our impact, both environmental and social. Also getting the opportunity to step out of my business and learn more about how to grow it in this green economy. My experience so far has been amazing. Personally, I got a chance to step out of the business and kind of get a bird's eye view, relook at everything from the ground up, because sometimes as entrepreneurs, we get stuck in the business. So for me personally, the experience and getting the chance to relook at my business and come up now with a blueprint from ground up has been the biggest takeaway for me. The circular economy space is the right space. It's the future of doing business. And I would also encourage them to learn from people in the ecosystem. So people in the same businesses, in the same industry, just network and learn from the peers, because I feel like there's a lot of opportunities for people to work together, collaborate, and to grow this space into something that's sustainable in the long run.